Hello again, and this is Andy, and we've got Kirsty, our special guest, who's going to answer your art questions while I draw for you. And today, say hi, Kirsty.
Hi. Hello. So I've got double. There you go. I've got you. I had double sound. I had you on the live because I'm actually with you on Zoom,
All
and
right,
then I can see the live show happening on Twitch, so I can watch you draw.
brilliant.
And you just said it was very sweet. You just said, "We'll answer your art questions." I'm sorry, I cannot draw for the life of me.
Oh, did I say
I just
okay? No,
you,
I will.
you're going to answer.
You're going to read the
I,
questions from our
yes.
live guests.
like I'm like panicking going, I'm suddenly the art expert here. It's like I'm the guest, you're the artist. I cannot draw for the life of
Well,
me.
it
Like
gets me
suddenly
off the
can't
hook.
answer any questions. But I can make up the answers if you want. It's like right, Van Gogh. This guy lost his ear. It was him.
Yeah,
Okay,
him.
that's how bad
That's
I am.
right. Van Gogh,
Right.
Van
So
Gogh, whichever way you like to pronounce him. But
Van Gogh. I think so.
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh. Van Gogh. Anyway, sorry, this is not going the right way. We're not supposed to be laughing, we're supposed to take this seriously.
This is very
Right, so,
serious.
art expert that you are, tell us what you're doing.
Yes, so I am showing people how to do dramatic lighting and dark against each other to make a picture look super dramatic, and it's I wanted to make it less scary. So if you can see me doing this live, hopefully that will encourage you that anyone can do it. And we're just having fun. We're chatting and drawing, and you don't have to draw. You can just sit back and relax. That's why we call it a relaxing coffee art chat. No pressure. And yeah, so I'm just kind of going to talk through things, and if anyone wants to write in and ask me questions about how to draw a lion, we're here for you. That's the idea. And I'm just drawing in some reflections in the eyes. Uh, Lions have this wonderful sort of line of white under their eyes, and then of course I'm adding lots of light, sort of the white. I don't know how well you can see that actually. Let's make it a bit more dramatic. And now they have a little bit of light of white on the end of their nose, and we're just putting that in. And I'm adding it also quite roughly in the reflection, and we're pretty much there. I'm just going to add black now. Really bring out this black area here. I don't know how. Oh, I think that's a request. Let's just
Yes,
come in.
I'm going to read that. That's my job. There's a request from Bob asking if we can, or you, because I can't draw, can you draw a lion cub?
I'd love to do that. And we're going to do, Kirsten says she can't draw, but Kirsty's going to have to um, draw this lion cub with me. I'm going to show you how you can draw a cartoon. So we're going to keep that nice and simple. The whole idea is that everyone has a lot of fun and learns how to draw. So I think we can see now that I'm adding lots of shade and light, and then I'm pretty much near finishing this picture, believe it or not. I'm keeping this rough because this is the water reflection. Don't want it too much exact copy. And so Kirsty, have you ever been up close to a lion, or is that something you
Um,
love to do?
I have. Yeah, I have actually. I've been. I went to Johannesburg, and there's a park not too far from Johannesburg. It's amazing. It's near the center, relatively near, and they let you pet lions. So they kind of tell you what you should do, how you should approach them, and they said not to. If I remember, they said not to tickle them, and which you tend to do with cats. You tend to want to tickle them, and apparently they don't like that because they think you're flies or something annoying them, and they'll swat. So you want to avoid that. Um, and they were amazing. I have to say, my whole life I've dreamt of being able to give a cuddle to a lion, small version preferred. And here I've got these gorgeous lion cubs in front of me, and I want to give them a hug, but I'm going, no, but it's a lion. It's like, don't know if this is a good idea. So although I did give them a little pat, I will be honest, I wasn't brave enough to literally give a hug. They do have claws and teeth, and they're actually really big.
And I know that when
Even
they're,
baby.
if they're just young, they're still
Yeah.
lethal.
Yes, I mean, you can just there's an instinct, human instinct saying this is not a good idea. They visually you want to go up to them, and then your whole body's going, not sure. So some people don't have that natural fear. I love cats, I love animals, but I respect them and I keep a little distance,
Very
from them
wise.
as well. So yeah, I was just quite happy. Okay, we get a little pat. It's true, but I was quite happy just to watch them. That was enough for me. I was just like, that's fine. I'll just sit here and watch. And they do come up to you as well. So you kind of they're the kind of calling for the pat, and I kind of just sat there and kept my fingers in. Because I wanted to keep the fingers.
Fingers and toes.
Yeah, but they're beautiful. The fingers and toes. But I definitely, yeah, I mean, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, 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 spectacular animals. And when you see them in real life, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people have seen them, but I never get bored of seeing them. I think they're amazing. I did a safari once, actually. I'm sounding like a right jet setter. But I actually did a safari, short safari, and saw them in the wild. Beautiful, that's where they should be. And absolutely gorgeous. And they just looked so intelligent and wise. They were kind of looking at me like, you really shouldn't be here right now. I was in a car, but a big truck, and the guy had his foot next to the gas pedal in case we had to move on. And you weren't allowed to make any noise because if you made too much noise, they would
They recognize that you're
run off.
dinner.
So yeah, just a lovely, lovely, beautiful picture. Yeah, well, yeah, you can kind of see, everybody's got a label in the Jeep. The Lions have a label on them like Big Mac, double cheeseburger.
Double cheese.
They're thinking double cheeseburger. I think I was at the French fries. It's like you can just see one of us makes one mistake. That's it for us, and they're fast. So
Well, that's the
anyway,
thing. It's when
okay.
we think that they're lounging around most of the day, but they're not. They can move extraordinarily faster, faster than
Yeah,
us.
great. Yeah, I've seen a few videos on YouTube. I mean, I haven't watched them because there's a limit to how much I want to watch with these types of videos. But obviously, when you hear the stories, I think it happened in the same park where this woman. What was the story? You must know because you're in Johannesburg. They had this. Was it an American? She was taking pictures or something like that of a lion,
Yeah, but
and she rolled through
she
the
was actually
window.
doing everything she was told by the guide. So
It
she
was the
was
guy, wasn't it, or something, that said,
yeah,
hey, feel free to take a picture, and the lion was just sitting there, but it was so fast. She
yeah.
didn't have, where the lion jumped at her. She didn't have the time to react. She just that was it. She was a goner, and I remember reading that story, and these things happen. I think we don't realize just how fast they are. That's what I got from the story, rather than blaming people because I wasn't there, so I don't know who to blame. But I was just reading the story and going, oh, they must be very fast.
They're very
You
very
know,
fast, and and
yeah,
and it's amazing the power that these beautiful animals have. So I'm
yeah,
actually going to finish up here. I'm just adding the
yeah.
last bits of the highlights, and I'm going to do something where you sort of smudge the bottom on the water. Can you see what's happening there? And that,
Um, yeah.
so that we've got the watery effect. There we
Yeah.
go. So that's pretty much done now. So we've got our lions, we've got our dramatic light, and now we're going to have a bit more drama with you drawing a lion cub. And I'm hoping that people either they can write in or they can join in. So let's, I'm just going to put those together into one picture and say goodbye to that one. And here we go. I'm just going to put it back on calligraphy, get my black out, and we're going to do a cub. And Kirsty, you've got an iPad, but you can do this with a paper and pen, not a problem. So I just...
I actually have with me, I'm fortunate to have an iPad, and I downloaded Procreate, which is the tool you're using.
Yep.
And I'm using one of these wonderful magic pens from that go with the Apple iPad. This is not an ad because this is the most expensive bloody thing on the planet.
That will never get sponsorship. I have one too.
But hey, oh, you have one too. That's even we bought a village with these things. I mean, these are so expensive, and it's if anything, I would say everything is wonderful, but guys, the price on this, please. Yeah, I need to know why this is so expensive.
But you know, you can literally put some cotton bud inside an old biro pen, tape it up, dip it in water, and the electricity in your hand creates a stylus, and you can do so. You don't have to buy a pen like this.
Well, you're telling me this now. Thank you so much.
But the old-fashioned paper and pen is perfect. Now I've just drawn you the ears and the top of the head, but we'll do this together.
I'm watching this on my telephone actually.
Okay.
Live. So let me do what you're doing. Of course, if it works, it's nice.
So it's anyone watching can have a go. So we do a sort of a very wide upside down U.
Do you know something? I was going on about how techie I am, and now I can't get the pen to work.
It probably has to be attached to the iPad, so it has to reset.
That's it.
Okay. Well, why don't I draw for everyone?
Finger.
Okay, I'm just gonna draw a cub, and if you follow me, so these are kind of smooth, weird shapes, and this is the top of the inside of the ear.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to do the eyes. And the thing about cubs is they have really big ears.
I think you're offline now.
I
think you're actually offline. I tell you what, it looks like we need to take
take a break?
A pause.
Because it's telling me I'm live.
Back.
Okay, alright. Sorry guys.
You're offline. Hold on, please correct me if I'm wrong. You're still online?
It's saying I'm still online.
Well, let's not panic. I tell you what, keep drawing, and I'm going to tell you if you're online or not. Okay?
Okay, well I'll just, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to draw the nose. And anyone watching can have a go.
No, you're still online. So please, everybody, just ignore me.
You're supposed to be my assistant.
I know. I'm a technical mess. I can't get my pen to work. I can't. Oh my god. Alright, I need to plug this in. Okay, I'm just figuring out the bloody iPad.
But it is amazing if people follow exactly what I'm doing. So I've just done another U and then a little line coming down the middle like that. And then we'll another U.
Okay. There.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm catching up real fast.
And then
old fashioned.
I'm gonna do another U on its side like that. And a U on the other side like that. And there you have it. It's pretty simple, and I'm just gonna give some whiskers. And we can keep adding details. So I could give this lion a fringe like that, or I could rub out the top and do a fringe like that, which I think is better. I like that one. It looks like a giant mouse actually. So I'm just gonna finish off this little lion. A few more details. You can just watch. And then we're gonna do the body. And of course, they have big paws. Even at this young age, they are lethal. And then some more paws at the back paws. I might make the eyes a little cuter. There we go. How are you doing, Kirsty?
You're going to see it in 2 seconds. Do you want me to stop and show you where I'm at?
No, that's cool. I can add little details while you copy it.
I can show you. Okay, I can stop there if you want.
Let's have a look.
I don't.
Oh, I think that's brilliant. Oh, well done.
Alright, hold on. You're gonna be now. That was. Is it patronizing the word? I can hear in your tone you're going.
No,
so
I think it's great for someone that's so techie. That looks a lot like a piece of paper and pen that you've been working with.
That looks like somebody who cannot draw but is really trying. Hey, you know, my limit is a smiley face. So I am so impressed with myself.
I think that's fantastic. Well done. And I throw it away. And thank you everyone for watching. And even though Kirsty tried to call off the tutorial halfway through,
get out of it. Let me get out of this.
Well done everyone. And we'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.
Bye.